Hello friends, welcome to this channel. So in this channel I will show you how to generate images from text. So in order to generate images, log into DeepDim generator, this website. So after login you will get total 100 points. Now here you can see only for 45 points are there because I already used those points. So this is the area where you have to write the text prompts and other settings. So see here I'm going to paste the prompts. While you write the prompt, you write all the details which you want in the image. This is the most important area where you have to be more careful while writing the prompt, because based on your prompt only image will be generated. Now you come to other settings. So in this AI model you can select according to your requirement. So I'll select here cyberspace because I'm going to generate some images which regarding space. So I will select these options only, and then you can see accept ratio. So select your accept ratio according to your requirement. I'm going to select landscape only, and then quality you can keep it normal. If you keep if you select high, then you can see they'll reduce more points. Okay, you need more points if you select high. Okay, if you select high quality, then you can see negative prompt. So in these options you can, negative prompt means which are the options, which are the details you do not want in the image. So you can write here negative prompt. I'm going to select auto only because I don't want to do anything here. Then go to face enhance, select none only, and then upscale and enhance. Here if you want your image more resolution, if you want more resolution, then select this. If you select a 5 megapixel, then you have to buy the pro version. But and if you select 1 megapixel or 2 megapixel, then they will reduce the points. So I will put none only. Okay, so after doing all these settings, click on generate. Okay, so here you can see it is generating the images, and it will take some times. So you can see the image is generated. So this is the image. There are some astronauts there. To download the image, right click on the image and then save as, click on save as options, and here you can save the picture. If you want more videos like this, please like, share and hit the subscribe button. Thank you.